Hello, my name is Marie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in crafting pastel gingerbread DIYs. I'll talk a little more about that later. So with that being said, let's get started on DIY number 1. For the first DIY, you'll need this birdhouse I picked up from Michael's for 99 cents, a wood round in gingerbread man shapes, a straw, apple barrel paints in nutmeg, cloudless, blue cotton, and pink. For the house, I'll embellish them with these mini peppermints from Hobby Lobby and the beads from Michael's. You'll need a red gel pen, a black Sharpie, and a white metallic marker. You'll also need some white paint, puffy paint, Mod Podge glitter, and a glue gun. The first thing I'll do is remove this part from the birdhouse. I can't find my pliers, so I'll just use these wire cutters. I'll be mixing the two blues together to get the desired shade of blue I'd like. I put some masking tape on the hanging string, and now I'll go ahead and paint these. I took a pencil and I lightly drew some lines for the peppermint candy, and then I will paint every other section in pink. Next, I'll be putting all the details on the gingerbread people, and instead of using the metallic marker, I'll be using this paint marker I got from Michael's. Here she is. I added some eyelashes and a cute pink bow. I think she looks adorable. Now it's time to decorate the top of the house. Before the paint dries, I'll be adding on some beads and some glitter. This is what we're getting so far. I think it's coming out really great. I'll let this dry overnight, and then I'll put some more paint on the front. After this dries, you can use this Elmer spray adhesive from the Dollar Tree. They also have a ProMark spray glue, but I prefer this one. I cut the straw in 4 pieces, and I attached it to both sides of the house. I painted 4 extra wood pieces, and they're going to go on the side of the house. And just like the big one, I'll brush on some Mod Podge and I'll sprinkle on some glitter. After they're dried, I will hot glue them all into place. Now I'll let this dry. I'll finish up the front and I'll be back with the reveal. Here it is, all colorful and festive. I love all the pastel colors on this little gingerbread house. You can use this as an ornament or display it on a tiered tray. So today I'm participating in crafting pastel gingerbread DIYs. I was so excited to join this open playlist, and our hosts for today are Jackie with Crafting in Mimi's World and Sarah at Jujubee DIY. These ladies are so talented. I've got a lot of inspiration from both of them, so I'll leave their channel links and the playlist for the other creators in the description box below. Please check them out, and let's continue crafting. For the next DIY, items needed from the Dollar Tree are 2 Woodshop Helicopter sets, a Styrofoam cone, Chenille yarn, a star shape, and I got the gingerbread man at 24 Hour Crafts and the beads from Michaels. You'll also need some various paint colors, some tacky glue, 1 dowel, a pink gel pen, white and black markers, and a glue gun. To make the ladder, you need 6 each of these parts from the Woodshop sets. The first thing I'll do is adhere the ladder together using some tacky glue. This is how the ladder looks so far. For the gaps, that's where the dowel comes in. I'll cut 3 pieces with miter shears, each measuring at 1 3/16 of an inch. Okay, I'm going to make this as straight as possible, and then I'll set this aside to dry. What I like about the tacky glue is that it dries clear, and now we'll move on to the next step. Now I'll go ahead and paint these. I gave this star another coat of white paint, and now I'm going to put some glitter on it. Now I'll start working on the tree. I've already glued the starting point at the bottom, and I'll work my way up to the top. Now I'll start putting the beads onto the tree. Here it is, all complete. I think these two look so adorable together, decorating the tree with their little hat and bow. I really love how this Christmas DIY turned out. On to the last DIY. The items needed from the Dollar Tree are this wood piece, a crate, a gingerbread man shape, 2 tumbling tower blocks, a mini plate I got from the party section, the ice cream cones are from Family Dollar, and the sprinkles and the donuts I purchased at 50% off at Hobby Lobby. You'll also need a chalkboard tag, ribbon, various paint colors, Mod Podge, and a glue gun. Now I'll go ahead and paint these. I'll use this brown gel pen to make lines for the waffle cone. Next, take some Mod Podge and brush it on top of the ice cream cones. I'll use a sponge brush to lightly press on the sprinkles. I'll let the cones dry for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll use this Elmer's spray adhesive. And now I'll finish painting the gingerbread man. I used my Cricut to make some labels for these, and I drew some scroll designs around the border. This is inspiration from Sarah, who is actually one of the hosts on the playlist, and they look so pretty on her DIYs that I thought I'd give it a try. I've adhered the gingerbread man and a chocolate ice cream cone to the sign, and I think this is coming out really cute. The Dollar Tree carries these square wood beads. I painted them to hold up the ice cream cones. I'll hot glue them down along with this round bead to prop up the donuts. I added a bow to the sign. I'll attach it to the crate and I'll be back with the reveal. Here it is, all complete with ice cream cones and donuts. I think this looks so festive and adorable. I really had so much fun creating this. I really love how this Gingerbread Sweet Shop turned out. Here's a final look at my pastel gingerbread DIYs. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share and comment to let me know which one of these is your favorite. And if this is your first time viewing this channel, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye!